0.3 grams. Oh. Split shot rig. Easy Shiner 3-inch. Okay, split shot rig.
Hello, I'm Angler Waki, a Japanese fishing enthusiast living in the United States. I upload fishing videos every week. In this video, I'm fishing the split shot rig with a Keitech Easy Shiner. When we use a swim bait on the split shot rig, I think most of us do slow dragging or slow steady reeling. Both work perfectly fine, but today I'm using a stop and go retrieve. Here's how it works. Cast it out, let the lure sink all the way to the bottom, and then start a slow retrieve. Since the weight is light, the lure easily lifts off the bottom, especially on windy days. When it starts getting too shallow, stop rearing. That pause creates a kill action. The Easy Shiner, which had been swimming with its tail kicking, suddenly loses power and sinks back to the bottom. That's the key moment. Most birds come either during that fall or right when we start reeling again. It's one of my go-to tricks for split shot rig.
Okay. Okay. Okay, size. Nice. Shiner. Okay. Baby. That's okay. Baby. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Easy Shiner. Yes, Easy Shiner. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Whew. Okay. I just caught the fish. Yeah, and I got it back to the water. Looked around. Oh my gosh, left side, 1 meter. A small kid came in. And right side, yeah, a group of people came in. They saw I caught fish. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah, it happens, it happens. Probably, yeah, I should go explore bigger waters. Bigger waters. This small pond, it's so competitive. Okay, and this is good. I think this is, yeah, this is not bad. Oh yeah, this is not bad. Average on this pond. Oh my gosh, the perfect hooking, but the lure is gone. Okay. Ooh. Yes, Keitech Easy Shiner. Thank you. Wait. Yes. The split shot rig. Just a small split shot weight made a huge difference. Yeah. This condition, the winds, yeah, against. Then the weightless Texas rig will not work, yeah, that much. But just put a small split shot weight. Yes. I caught some good ones. Average size bass here. Not a monster, not a trophy size at all. But yes. A split shot weight. I recommend you always bring it. Always bring it. I always have nail weights, split shot weights, barrette weights, and drop shot weights. Everything, yeah. Basically, everything I always bring in my tackle bag. Then I can address any conditions. Let's keep casting. Hope I can catch a little bit more.
Okay, that place was under the heavy fishing pressure. So many anglers were coming and going, but the Keitech Easy Shiner and the classic split shot rig still brought me some luck. Yeah! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up! Share this channel with your fishing pals. Make sure to subscribe for more fishing content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!
Easy Shiner. Thank you.